History is where you will see a listing of all of the chat sessions across all of your channels and widgets. You can scroll through this list to see all of the chat sessions in reverse chronological order. In other words, the latest or most recent chat sessions will appear at the top of the listing. You can view your listing by date, which is the default, or by customer. You can also filter your listing based upon your agents or chatbots. You can also filter your history list based upon your chat widgets. For example, I can view the history of all my chat sessions for my web widget only. And now I'm seeing the chat sessions for only the web widget. I can also filter by time and date as well. Let's look at the last 90 days. Clicking on a chat session allows you to see the entire transcript of that chat session. You can also tag the session and even create a ticket, which we'll discuss under tickets. If you like, you can ban a visitor if they're abusing the system. To ban a visitor, simply click or tap on ban and state the duration in days.